Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to make a public figure page on Facebook. Now this is for if you are not a business or a brand. If you're just a solo person looking to have a public figure page, this is going to show you how to create that. So the first thing you'll want to do is come up here to create, and in this case we're creating a page. So the two choices you're going to have are business or brand, community or public figure page. In this case, again, we're going with the public figure page. In the past, I have seen, and you may have seen, there be something called just a public figure page. It looks like in this case in 2019, Facebook has taken away just the general public figure page option. So that's where, coming over here at facebook.com/pages/category, you can actually go ahead and see all of the different public figure page types. So that way you can get a little bit more specific and hit that right target audience, instead of just saying public figure page and getting, maybe getting people who are more into athletes when you're a designer. So that wouldn't work. So in this case, I am actually going to put that I am a digital creator, and then you just fill in your information. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. And in this case, make sure all the information is filled in, and then go ahead and continue there. And then once it loads, you should have your public figure page, and you just go through and follow the instructions from there. So I hope you found this video helpful, and get on to creating.